Drop by drop, step by step, since it was just an idea, raised by force of illusion and work in 1971, Huesa has established itself as an essential solution in the responsible and sustainable treatment of water, and a leading company in the sector. Its clear service vocation, its firm commitment to the investment in R&D&I, and a highly qualified human team are its main guarantees. Its objective: to offer the customer the most advanced technology, systems and industrial services to manage the integral water cycle. Always at the forefront with the new technologies, Huesa has the experience and the resources needed to provide a personalized and efficient attention specialized in the development and execution of turnkey projects. An engineering area in charge of selecting the most appropriate process and technologies, in each specific case carrying out the detailed engineering, automation and instrumentation, installation and startup. A production center specialized in providing the customer with tailor-made solutions oriented towards the manufacturing, the mechanical and electrical assembly and the containerization of the equipment, in which the FAT tests are carried out, making sure the installation works properly. And an after-sales service that guarantees the maintenance of the facilities through a specialized technical assistance. This service includes the management and maintenance of the water treatment plants, the analytical controls, the supply of reagents and the waste management, among others. On these solid premises, Huesa develops its activity in 3 areas of application: the potabilization, the industrial processes and the wastewater, with a special attention to the reuse of water to favor the conservation of the environment and energy savings. Certified by the UNE-EN ISO 9001 and 14001 standards, and by the IQnet SR10 Corporate Social Responsibility Standard. The wide range of application that these processes cover is only a sample of the efficiency and the necessary interweaving in the industrial and human network of Huesa, and the main reason for its wide international projection. Water. This good belonging to all is so valuable and necessary that wise hands are needed to manage it and take care of its delicate life cycle, which is also ours. And this is the firm commitment of Huesa for the future and in the future. Huesa. Excellence drop by drop.